Have you ever looked at your investment portfolio and wondered if it's keeping up with the times? Maybe you've considered dipping your toes into the world of cryptocurrency, but you're unsure where to start. Or perhaps you're a seasoned investor, curious about how traditional financial institutions are navigating the crypto landscape. Well, today, we're diving into a specific question: does Nutmeg invest in crypto? Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Nutmeg is. For those unfamiliar, Nutmeg is a digital wealth management platform that offers a range of investment options. It's designed to make investing accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned investors. They promise to handle the complexities of investing so you don't have to. Now, cryptocurrency. This digital currency phenomenon has taken the world by storm. Its volatility is legendary, and its potential for both massive gains and losses has captured the imagination of millions. But is it a suitable investment for a traditional financial platform like Nutmeg? The core question: does Nutmeg invest in crypto? To answer this, we need to understand Nutmeg's investment philosophy. They position themselves as a long-term, low-risk investment platform. Crypto, on the other hand, is the epitome of high risk, high reward. It's a stark contrast. So, does Nutmeg offer crypto as an investment option? The short answer is no. As of now, Nutmeg does not invest in cryptocurrencies. This is likely due to several reasons. Reason 1: regulatory uncertainty. The cryptocurrency market is still largely unregulated in many parts of the world. This means there's a high degree of legal and operational risk associated with investing in crypto. Financial institutions like Nutmeg are heavily regulated, and offering crypto products could expose them to significant compliance challenges. Reason 2: investment philosophy. Nutmeg's investment strategy is based on diversification and risk management. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and speculative, which doesn't align with Nutmeg's long-term, low-risk approach. Reason 3: customer protection. As a wealth management platform, Nutmeg has a fiduciary duty to protect its clients' investments. Cryptocurrencies are incredibly risky, and many investors might not fully understand the potential consequences of investing in them. By avoiding crypto, Nutmeg ensures that its clients' investments are aligned with their risk tolerance. The future of Nutmeg and crypto. While Nutmeg doesn't invest in crypto now, it doesn't mean they won't in the future. The cryptocurrency market is evolving rapidly, and regulations are gradually being put in place. It's possible that Nutmeg might reconsider its stance if the regulatory landscape becomes clearer and if cryptocurrencies become more stable. However, as of today, if you're looking to invest in crypto, Nutmeg is not the platform for you. Alternative investment options. So, what are the alternatives? If you're keen on high-growth investments, you could explore options like stocks, ETFs, or venture capital. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, regardless of how tempting it might be. The world of finance is constantly changing, and it's essential to stay informed. While Nutmeg is a solid platform for building long-term wealth, it's not the place to go for crypto exposure. Understanding the differences between traditional investments and cryptocurrencies is crucial for making informed decisions about your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.